Yo, what's up guys? It's Kimmerman from Kimmerman Gunpla Studio, and today I got here my Baffarion from Hemoxian series or Hemoxian model kit. And yep, I bought it from Hobby Wang in Shopee Philippines. So this is very fast. Thank you so much Hobby Wang for delivering it as quickly as you can. And this is a pre-order, by the way, so I really recommend Hobby Wang if you like Chinese model kits. Pre-order to be fastly or quickly delivered to your home. So this is the most recommended shop here in the Philippines in terms of fastness. So don't buy in other shop, just buy in Hobby Wang if you want a very fast delivery. So anyway, this is the Baffarion, and this is from the Hemoxian series. And there at the back of the box here we can see the very nice majestic Baffarion here, and it reminds me of the bootleg what they call it, Gundam. I forgot that Gundam already. So that's the Stargazer. Yeah, that's Stargazer. So I remember the appearance of this in that bootleg box. Anyway, so let's check this heavy box here by Hemoxian model kit, and let's see if this is a worth it collection for us toy collectors. Fangen wir an, los geht's. Okay, so let's go with the box here. So we got here the Baffarion. It says Baffarion, and the box art is really cool. I really like the appearance of the box art. Reminds me of the Baffarion color scheme. And there we got the Hemoxian X ToysComic. So this is a collaboration, if I'm not mistaken, from Hemoxian and the ToysComic model kit line, if I'm not mistaken. So correct me if I'm wrong. And there we got here the gift with the first goods. So I remember when I first bought my Hemoxian tour, there's this freebie with the cape. Yes, that's the cape and the clear plastic runner. So this one, I think it has a freebie, of course. And there we got the action poses. Actually, the color scheme and the physique of this kit looks really nice. It's very beefy, and the name itself, Baffarion, so it looks beefy and buff. And there we go, the product display. We got here the front view, the rear view. So it got so many weapons here. We got this sword and gun, and there we go. Got the shield, nicely looking shield there. And yep, there are what do you call this, blade. Okay, I really like the blade here. And I was just happy to see this Japanese text. So it's a Japanese text, yeah, if I'm not mistaken. And there's this explanation written there in English. So it's up to you to buy this, just buy or read this. Just read this and pause for a while and can read those explanation there. Also here there are this Ganjang Sonic Sword, whatever, and there the blue horn shield, whatever, something like that. So there are explanations in English, written in English, so it's very cool for me. And there we got those the Weibo count of the Hemoxian here, and there some poses, action base, and these what do you call this, Zuyak Guaron product display of the holy something, or the aura, heavenly aura, something like that. So I think this is the freebie of the kit, equivalent to the cape from the Hemoxian tour. Okay, and the back of the box here, there we go, camera cannot see it. Okay, so we got here the Baffarion picture, very cool. It reminds me of the I really forgot that kit, but that's the bootleg version for the Stargazer Gundam. And there we go, the Baffarion. It says here Baffarion is one of the 12 main mechs originally belonging to the Earth-based private research facility, the Jing Luligang Research Institute whatsoever. Okay. So I hope I can get a clip of anime if there's an anime of this shit here. Okay, so let's open the box, and as you can see, there's my I didn't build yet my other Hemoxian series there. Okay, so there we go. We got here the box. I got 4, by the way, got 4 backlogs there. Okay. So there we go. We got the Baffarion, which is very cool. We got the head bust design here, Baffarion Zuya something, and another explanation. Same with the box art there. Baffarion 112 Max original belong to Earth-based private research facility, the Jingli Guang Research Institute. Okay, so too much for that. Let's open the box here. Okay, and there we got to see this packaging. This is very professional packaging from Hemoxian. You can see here Hemoxian and ToysComic. I really like this kind of packaging. As you can see, it's very professional. I hope Bandai can do this sooner, but no, I doubt Bandai will do that. But Chinese companies are really superb right nowadays. So I must compliment them appropriately. So there we go. We got these white parts, got those gray parts, then got those red, clear, blue there for the beam saber effect, and clear pieces. And we got white parts here, white parts there. Then we got those yellow parts. Okay. Yellow pieces here for the blades. Yep. And there are yellow parts, red parts. And we got those white parts here, black parts for, I think this one's for the inner frames. Okay. So there we go. We got the black parts, all black parts for the inner frame. And here we got the action base. So we got action base stand here, which is cool. Action base stand, inner frame parts for the guns, and there we got black parts and white parts. So it's not that much. As you can see, it's not that much. I was expecting that it has so many runners. Same with the what you call that company, the Supernova, the SNAA, but no, it's not. And there we go. We got this special box. I think this one is the gift. It says in the box the again. Let's get that shit there. The gift with the first goods. The gift with the first goods. Okay, so maybe this is this one. And there we go, the gift with the first goods. So this is the Baffarion Divine General Form. Okay, so what does it mean, or what is the plastic included here? Okay, so there we go. We got those aura, those yellow aura here. So it's kept safe inside that box to avoid pressure. And this is what I like in the Hemoxian. There are foams on those parts that needs protection. Okay, so there we go. Very cool. I really like those blades. I think it has an equivalent blade here as well. Let's see. Okay, yep, there are equivalent blades for this one. So if you want to change this into this, you can do so. Okay. And there you go. I'm just get this first here inside the box because I don't want to use this yet. But in the back of it, you can see the runner included. Yep. And the plastic quality used is PS, ABS and PS. There we go, very nice. Okay. So we go to the other stuff here. So we got to see water slide decals and this foil sticker. Okay. And we got to see, oops, I cannot get it. Oh, okay. We got to see those sticker placement guide and breakout or the statement of what did you purchase here for the runners. Okay. And let's go with the instruction manual. So the instruction manual here, we got to see the very cool, beefy looking Hemoxian guy here, the Baffarion. So let's go with the parts list. So the parts are not that much for me. So it's just like the regular Chinese model kits that I built before. It's not that much. It's an easy kit to build. Okay, judging the appearance of the instruction manual, it's the typical Chinese style of manual here, and the assembling process here is not that hard compared with the other complicated stuff there, but it has, I think it has so many little stuff there, which is you need to be careful of, because if you lost that, everything is shit. Okay, there we go. So it's not that hard to build. Okay, we got this. It's not a sticker. Okay, it's just like a crest there. Okay. Okay, and the last pages here, you can see some pictures of the Baffarion. There we go, with some explanation, and the divine general form. So I much like the regular one. I don't like the divine general form. I much like this one. It looks more beefy compared with this, which looks like gay to me. Okay. Okay. Okay, so as always, let's have a quick runner review before we build the kit. So we got here 2 runner N for these black parts here. I think this one for the guns, and some inner frame. And as far as I can judge the plastic here, the plastic quality is really nice, and you can't see any mold marks, which is very true in most Chinese kits that I built. You can't see any visible mold marks compared with the Bandai, whereas the mold marks in Bandai are really rampant, which is very bad. And there we got runner K here for these black parts here, inner frame parts. Then we got here runner D1, so we got 2 sets of this. These are all white plastic parts. And we got here runner L2 for the inner frame parts, I think. Yes, this one, runner L2. Then we got here runner C.
So these are all yellow colored plastic. So I like the shade of yellow here. It looks like orange, light orange shade, and another light orange shade here. We got runner M for this blade parts. Okay, we got 2 sets of these. Then we got runner D2 here for the final light orange shade part here, and got runner B1 for these red parts, and runner B2 here. We got 2 sets of this, so 2 sets of runner B2. Then we got runner O, 2 sets of this. I think this one for the shield. So the plastic here is a bit matte, and it's not that shiny or glossy white. There's a matte white here. By the way, all the plastic parts here are matte. It's not shiny, which is very nice. I much like matte color plastic. And there we got runner A1 for this gray parts, and runner A2 for another gray parts here. Then we got here runner E for this white parts, and runner G for this black parts here. Then we got runner F, 2 sets of runner F for this white plastic parts, and we got runner H for the black parts, and there again another runner H here. And I think, okay, the hands are a bit large there. The hands are big for this guy. And runner J for this black parts inner frame. And finally we got, of course, the beam saber effect parts and this blue clear blue parts for the eyes and the chest crest, and this one for the beam saber effect. The beam saber effect part is really cool. I like the appearance. And again, the Baffarion Divine General form, I didn't open it yet, so I don't have any plans on using this, so I might sell this. If you want to buy, just PM me or comment in the comment section if you want to buy this from me. And there we got the action base stand. I might include this also. I don't like using the action base stand. So thank you so much for watching this unbox review of the Hemoxian ToysComic model kit here, the Baffarion. See you next time in the review. Thank you.